Hey everyone, this is Lel already from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Venti, and it sounds like this. If you also want to check the MIDI, this is how it is. This is without any effects in. Now if you want to listen to it in context, let's activate the effects. Really cool sound that you can find in the description below in the Melodic Techno Trance Volume 1 pack that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with DIVA. We're going to start by initializing DIVA and also deactivating all the effects, and this is how it sounds like. Now we're going to start by putting the transpose to 0, and we're also going to put like voices to 8 and stack to 3. You can see how this already changes the sound a little bit. Now we're going to also choose a triple VCO. The first one is going to be an 8. This is all going to be off over here as well. This is going to remain as it is, and the volume is going to go quite down. But we're also going to turn everything down just so we can listen to this one in solo. Now we're also going to use oscillator 2, and we're going to put this to 2. Now we need to turn up the volume. Waveform as it is, and the Detune a little bit shifted. This is a really strange sound, but we're going to change it a little bit to make it more listenable. And it's kind of the sound that we want to listen already, but we also have to put a little bit of noise. Just something like this is enough. And now we're also going to put a little bit of LFO2 over here in the tune mod. So we're going to go LFO2. We're going to put just a little bit over here. Something like this. And you can see how it sounds a bit weird. Now we're going to have to go into LFO2 and essentially change everything. First of everything, polarity on. So it's just unipolar, not bipolar. We're going to put this to random. We're going to put this really big as well. So something like this. And that's about it so far with this oscillator part. This essentially is going to modulate the tune of the oscillator 1 over here. As we selected this one, this is oscillator 1. If you select this one, this is oscillator 2. So this is oscillator 1. Without. So this makes it a little bit even more detuned as what we can listen over here. Now, in addition to that, we're going to go and start modulating the sound. We're going to go for the ADSR. We're going to select an ADS envelope 1, and that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go attack as it is. Decay is going to go a little bit down. And the sustain as it is, but we're also going to add a little bit of release. But you can see how the sounds are all getting on top of each other, and we don't want something like this. That's because we're in poly mode. We need to choose legato over here. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to go and start using a filter. So the filter, we're going to use a ladder filter. We're going to put this a little bit down. And leave this on as 24. Now the envelope 2 is going to do quite a heavy lifting over here. But we have to also modulate a little bit of the envelope 2. So what will we do in envelope 2? Sustain all the way down, release on, and decay a bit down. And you can already hear sort of the sound. Now, LFO2 a little bit up as well. And keyboard tracking as well. Essentially, higher notes are going to have more cutoff. So that's pretty much what it is. emphasis as it is, FM as it is, and now we're gonna go and move into the tuning section. In the tuning, nothing in the vibrato, nothing in the glide, nothing glide 2. We're gonna go over here, amplifier, we're gonna turn this a little bit down. And we want to make this a little bit wider. How can we make this wider? There is a way, essentially. We have to change something in the pan mod. But if we go in the stack index over here, we can make it. You can see how this made the sound really wide, right? Modifications as it is. Trimmers, we're just gonna go here in the detune amount, which is again the amount of detune, just so you can hear. This has more detune, this has less. Pretty much what we have to do. Level 1 is gonna remain as it is. We only have to select now a delay. And we're gonna activate the delay. Dry 100% wet, center it all the way down, side volume a little bit down. High pass a lot up. And low pass also a lot down. Now, left a little bit up, center a little bit down, and right a little bit down. A lot more feedback. And a bit less wow. Now, if we want to activate the effects again and listen to this in context, Leo, but what are the effects? Well, the effects is just an EQ, as you can hear over here, just a low cut, pretty much like this, and also a shaper box, just doing a little bit of sidechain, just so you can replicate afterwards as well. And that's it. If you like the preset, you can get it over here in the description below in the Melodic, Techno, and Trance Volume 1 that you can find at Production Music's Live's website. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next sound design video. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.